काका नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
सो जुबली हिल्स में बाई इलेक्शन आ रहा था। सो तीन पार्टियों पर क्या क्या बोलते हैं प्रचार में चल रहा था। सो कौन सा पार्टी जीतेगा बोलते क्या बोलेगा?
अभी आपके ख्याल से क्या आएगा? आप तो इतना सर्वे कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
अब आपके नॉलेज से कौन जीतेगा?
वो तो नहीं पता है, मैं तो पब्लिक का सर्वे कर रहा
नहीं
था।
नहीं, पब्लिक का सर्वे कर रहे हो, पब्लिक का इतना आइडिया दे रहे
some
हो, तो
people
आपका
are
idea
saying some people are saying BRS, some people are saying कांग्रेस, ऐसा ऐसा चल रहा था।
क्या? Yes, it is politics.
हाँ,
Politics is like a old wine in a new bottle.
ओके,
जैसे पुरानी शराब नई बोतल में है,
हाँ,
पॉलिटिक्स वही है और कुछ भी नहीं है.
समझ गया।
Public is same, vote is same,
हाँ,
only technology has been changed,
ओके,
isn't it?
हाँ,
Now, for example, the person will win who will work hard. It is a race. Nobody can say who will win. And it depends on the public
हाँ,
to whom they are voting. If the public is concentrating on a person, he will definitely win. Isn't it? It is a common phenomenon of the public. Now, for example, I don't know to whom the Congress has given the ticket. May I know that to whom the Congress has given the ticket from this area?
अभी तक तो किसका भी नाम नहीं पता। 4-5 आदमी का तो नाम चल रहा था।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
yet it is in huddle and puddle. अभी बीच में नैया डोल रही है.
BRS का तो एक नाम कंफर्म हो गया, जो पुराना एमएलए का भाई।
Maganti. It's already declared, and moreover, she is doing the canvassing also
ओके, हाँ,
since long.
हाँ,
And in India,
हाँ,
it's a common phenomenon of the general public. They have got a sympathy.
ओके,
On the basis of sympathy, she may win. She may win because
ओके, हाँ,
I'm not an enemy of anyone. I'm not an enemy of any party. I love every party. But I'm telling about the public, general public, their hearts. Generally, they will vote to the widow lady only. Even though ladies, you leave them. Now, for example,
अभी अभी जो चल रहा है ना गवर्नमेंट, सो गवर्नमेंट तो कांग्रेस का ही है। सो इधर BRS कैसा जीतेगा बोल रहा आप?
on sympathy basis, I can predict that thing.
ओके, ओके, हाँ।
I'm not sure,
Sure, okay.
but I can predict on the sympathy basis,
So
she can win.
रूलिंग कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I told
दो
you
साल
that.
हो गया ना?
No, I told you that.
हाँ,
It is a old wine in a new bottle.
राइट, ओके,
Every government, every person who sits on the seat, he promises for many things.
ओके,
But according to my knowledge, all the things are not fulfilled.
ओके,
The Honorable CM, Mr. Revant Reddy, I really appreciate him. I love him. He is a very eminent and intellectual CM.
ओके,
And he has promised many things. But out all of that promises, only the transportation has come free to the ladies. Why our vote is not counted?
हाँ,
He would have given free to the old aged persons also. Simultaneous.
स्कूल
Yes.
चिल्ड्रन,
Yes. Many things are there. This election is nothing. Why we are making them to sit on the seat? We are making them to sit on the seat to represent our problems, to solve our problems. Some people they come about the roads. No, that is not the one problem of roads. Many problems are there. Unemployment is there. Young people, education is there. Many things are there. Electricity bill is there, water bill is there. And the rate of provisions, the food we eat, that is also necessary. I used to purchase a rice bag for 1,100 rupees. Now it is costing 1,900. 1 minute. And one more thing, I used to purchase sweet oil at the rate of 90 rupees per kg. Now it has come to 240 rupees. Public is suffering. Anyhow, I don't say that the Congress is doing bad. Let him also do the work. Let him also do the work.
डेवलपमेंट्स कैसा लग रहा था? जुबली हिल्स में पुराना एमएलए का 3 टाइम्स एमएलए रूलिंग चला था। अभी जो कांग्रेस का गवर्नमेंट आ गया था, सो ये डेवलपमेंट्स कैसा है जुबली हिल्स में?
डेवलपमेंट की बात रही तो मैं आपको बोलूँगा, डेवलपमेंट तो जैसा तेलंगाना सेपरेट हुआ, ऑलरेडी डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट हो गए. एवरी डेवलपमेंट एट द पीरियड ऑफ KCR, ऑल द रोड्स वेयर कंस्ट्रक्टेड, ऑल रिंग रोड्स, double bedroom houses. All these constructions were done in the period of KCR. In the presence of the government, I did not see anything is being constructed. I am only seeing the houses are being destructed by Hydra. बनना तो दूर की बात है, तोड़ना ज़्यादा है. अब one more thing.
मास्टर प्लान बोलते हैं, आज तक नहीं हुआ.
प्लान ही नहीं है तो मास्टर कहाँ से आएगा?
तो फाइनल क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सर ये जो बाई इलेक्शन का
by election. I bless everyone, all the candidates who are standing. But according to my age, my experience, I can predict, and I'm sure that this widow lady
ఓకే
will win, Sunita Maganti, on sympathy grounds.
ఓకే
On what work they did or they did not do, that is separate.
సింపతి విల్ వర్క్
Sympathy will.
by election.
Yes, only it is a period of span of 3 years. Let us see who works good. If at all she doesn't complete her promises, the next time it is very hard for her to win.
రైట్
So nice of giving your precious time.
Right.
Thank you very much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
థ్యాంక్ యూ